Yes, Raul Labrador will be the next member of the Central District Health Board, representing Ada County. Yes, he received approval from 9 of the 12 county commissioners under CDH jurisdiction. And yes, there were a lot of people who were not in favor of that choice. Earlier this week, we explained how this vote broke down and why several county commissioners went with Labrador as a lesser of two evils, knowing that if it wasn't the former congressman who got the job, it would likely fall to Commissioner Ryan Davidson of Ada County. We also broke down the emails that were sent directly to the health district. All 68 of them that had to do with Labrador's appointment, all 68 of them were against it. But we wanted to know what the Ada County commissioners heard from their constituents, so we asked. And today, we received a large chunk per a public information request. I say a large chunk because they got thousands of emails, almost 3,200. And we were sent 547 of them because, well, we didn't have $173 to pay for the rest. So here's why we asked for them.
Also, we have received a lot of public engagement in the form of comments, phone calls, emails, etc. But I just think it's important that we somehow that's available, compiled, and it's available in legible format to the public.
Mr. Chair, those are public records, obviously, and just to let the public know, I mean, as for myself, I did review a lot of the emails that came in from members of the public.
Okay, so we asked for any of those emails that were sent in to 3 Ada County commissioners between January 13th, which was the day Raul Labrador was first introduced as a candidate to replace Diana Laciando on the health board, through January 18th, the day before commissioners were set to interview Dr. Sky Blue, who also wanted the gig. As we said, there were nearly 3,200 of those emails in that short a time, and we got a decent sample of nearly 550. We went through all of them, and here's what we found. Of all of those emails, about 470 were actually valid. The others were either duplicates or weren't relevant to the topic. And of those, 99 were in support of Labrador's appointment. 368 were either in favor of Dr. Blue or against Labrador. That's 21% for Labrador's appointment. Fewer than 1 out of every 4 people who sent an email to Ada County commissioners were in favor of it. The other 79% against. Yet after saying they had seen, quote, a lot of the emails, it wasn't enough to stop 2 of the 3 commissioners from nominating Labrador. Again, these are just the emails sent to Ada County commissioners, not Elmore, Boise, or Valley County. And if you're curious, which we were, here's what some of those emails had to say. Thank you for taking this side of liberty. This was a great decision. Never back down. I believe Raul Labrador to be a very, very bad, no good, rotten choice to put on the health board. An ode to the children's book, of course, Alexander and the Terrible, Horrible, No Good, Very Bad Day. In 2017, Mr. Labrador claimed nobody dies because they don't have access to health care, when in fact thousands of people die in the U.S. literally due to that exact reason. Mr. Labrador is clearly out of touch with the needs and desires of the citizens of Ada County and is unfit to serve in this role. And they went on and on. Like I said, 79% were against. So let the record show, the public record that is, that an overwhelming number of citizens did not want Raul Labrador representing them on the CDH board. Yet, Labrador will be seated for his first board meeting on Friday, February 19th. And if you want more information, or if you'd like to see more of those emails, we've attached them to this story at our website at ktvb.com.